Hi, welcome back to About Graph. And for today's episode, I'm going to share with you guys my top tips and tricks on how to achieve and maintain acne-free flawless skin. Now guys, I may not be a board-certified dermatologist, but I could say that in my 21 years of existence, I already experienced a number of pesky acne breakouts and was able to overcome them all by good habits and of course, research. That is why I know that clear skin isn't only attributed to skincare products, but to one's lifestyle and habits as well. With that being said, I advise you sit back, relax, as I discuss to you the things that you should and shouldn't do in the name of flawless skin. Alright, number one is to keep yourself hydrated from the inside. I know you already heard about this not only from other beauty gurus but from your doctor or even from your mom. That is because it is very true, so you should listen. 2018 na bes, hindi ka pa ba makikinig? We should drink about 1.6 liters of water a day. So yes, that is an estimate of 8 glasses. However guys, take note that water is not a miracle cure, okay? It doesn't mean that when you drink 8 glasses of water today, you will become flawless in a snap. No. But it does help your skin to function properly by naturally cleansing your skin cells. Always remember this guys, dehydration is the root of all evil, okay? All skin conditions, whatever it is, whether it be acne breakout, eczema, allergies, they could get worse if you are dehydrated. Now speaking of hydration, point number 2 is all about keeping yourself hydrated on the outside. Yes honey, dapat lagi kang basa. And I'm not just talking to those people who have dry skin, but even for those who have oily and combination skin as well. You definitely need to moisturize your skin in order to normalize your pH level. Because the moment you avoid hydration and keep your skin ultra dry, it'll do a weird defense mechanism of producing more oils, thus making you feel and look more greasy and leaving you with a much greater chance of having acne breakouts. So the main key here guys is to find the right moisturizer for your skin type. If you have oily or combination skin, I suggest you gear towards water-based or gel-type moisturizers. However, if you have dry skin, you can get away with oil or cream-based ones. Another important tip guys is to always find for products that are non-comedogenic because they definitely won't trap oils into the pores. Now that we are in the topic of skincare products, number 3 is to never ever use harsh ingredients on your face. If you deliver tender love and care to your boyfriend or girlfriend, the more that you should give those to yourself, especially to your face. One cause of acne guys is dirt, another is irritation, and if we happen to use harsh facial cleansers, sure we might get rid of dirt, but this could actually worsen the irritation. A much better way of handling this is to consider a mild cleanser instead. This way you're not only targeting the bacteria, but you are soothing the irritated areas as well. Remember guys, hindi mo iinisin yung irritable na dahil kapag yung balat mo ay lumala at nagrebelde, ikaw din ang kawawa. So be as gentle as possible. Speaking of being gentle, always use warm water to wash your face, okay? Now guys, warm is very different from hot. If you use hot water or extremely cold water to your face, it'll once again lead to dehydration. However, if you use warm water, it'll help your pores to open up, allowing it to absorb all the necessary ingredients from your skincare. And after washing your face, that's the only time when you can apply cold water that could help in closing the pores naman and lessen the inflammation. Another thing guys, you should also avoid washing your face. Maaaring gumagamit ka nga ng mild cleanser, pero mayat maya ka naman naghuhugas bes, edi wala rin, okay? Once again, you are stripping your face with natural oils and you are disrupting its natural healing process. Ako guys, personally, I only wash my face 2 times a day. If I have to exceed over that maximum na yun 3 times a day in order to treat my natural oils with respect. Number 4 guys is very obvious. Avoid touching your face. Like I said earlier, dirt can actually cause and trigger acne breakouts, and our hands are the dirtiest parts of our body. These babies right here are always the ones in contact to everything. Minsan, meron tayong mga hinahawakan na hindi naman dapat hawakan. And ang tendency is when we touch our face, we're not only depositing bacteria, viruses, and allergens, but we are spreading it back. Unless, of course, if you just washed your hands, then I guess you can touch your face to apply products or whatever, but make sure that you properly washed your hands. This means using a mild soap to scrub all areas of your hands for at least 20 seconds. So at first, I'm pretty sure mahihirapan kayo to stop touching your face and manually pricking pimples and impurities, but I guarantee you guys, you'll get used to it and it'll all be worth it in the name of flawless skin. At tip under this, diba usong-uso yung pagpapost tulad nito? Bago mo gawin yung mga yan, maghugas ka muna ng kamay para hindi ka magka-pimples. Tip number 5 is to consider cleansing or changing other objects that come in contact to your face. So it is not only our hands, guys, that could deliver and spread bacteria to our skin, but other objects as well, such as bed sheets, pillowcases, makeup brushes, face towels, and more. When it comes to pillowcases, guys, I change mine at least once or sometimes even twice a week. Same thing goes for face towels, but I have designated towels for my face and separate ones for my body. For makeup tools and brushes naman, I wash my beauty blender every after use. My foundation and concealer brushes, I wash them once a week because they are usually the ones that I use for my whole face. Pero for the other brushes that I have, I usually wash them twice a month. Sometimes naman, guys, the products that we use on our hair, also products that we use on our teeth, could disrupt our skin. Kasi inevitably, diba, they could go on areas of our skin when we make banlaw our shampoo or when we brush our teeth. So I suggest always go for products that have the mildest ingredients. Iwasan nyo yung masyadong maaating mga shampoo, mga toothpaste, mga conditioner. Iwasan nyo yung sobrang babango, yung sobrang makukulay. The more natural the product, the better. Number 6 is to never sleep or exercise with makeup on. Now, when we sleep kasi, it is the time when our body distributes the nutrients in order to fix damages, including the impurities of our skin. So if we sleep without removing our makeup, we are not allowing this natural process to happen. Instead, we are worsening our condition by clogging our pores, drying out our skin, and prolonging the dirt and pollution on our face. So ang tendency, more and more acne breakouts due to irritation and inflammation, and more skin aging due to dryness. Same thing happens, guys, when we wear makeup when we exercise. Kasi dito naman, we are actually taking out toxins, dirt, and oxides from our skin through the form of sweat. So how can all of this go out if your pores are clogged? Diba? Most likely, they will just stay on the surface, causing you to break out. So please always wash your face before you sleep and exercise. Isa pa palang tip, guys, whenever you work out, never ever let sweat dry on your face. As much as possible, pat it agad with a clean face towel. Kasi like I said kanina, sweat actually contains bacteria from your pores, so you don't want it to spread naman ulit on the rest of your skin. At isa pa, after you work out, make sure na maliligo ka agad. Huwag ka munang kakain or manonood ng movie or whatever. Kasi nga, you don't want to prolong all the bacteria that lies on the surface of your skin. Number 7, since usapang makeup na lang din tayo, always choose the right makeup for your skin type. Okay, so we are very lucky that nowadays, there are a lot of variants ng mga foundations, concealers, powders that could cater from dry skin to oily skin. So what is left for us to do is to actually go ahead and try out those products and find ones that could work or hiyang sa ating skin type. However, guys, I am aware na this is actually easier said than done kasi marami ka talagang magagastos na pera in looking for the perfect product. And sometimes there are products na almost perfect, as in you like the coverage, you like the oil control, you like the scent, but they still break us out due to certain ingredients that oppose to our skin. Pero guys, I could tell you this. Finding the right product is just like finding your Prince Charming. Once na makita mo na siya, wala ka nang hahanapin pang iba. It'll all be worth it and you guys will live happily ever after, ganun. So, tiyaga lang talaga best. Applicable din dito, the advice that I said earlier, always go for non-comedogenic products. para hindi harmful sa ating pores. Number 8 guys is to exfoliate your face once or twice a week. Whether your acne is severe or mild, or kahit na you have clear skin already and actually wanna prevent acne lang, exfoliating is still a must because this is the manual removal of dead skin cells. These skin cells are already unnecessary for your skin. So if we don't remove them, it's going to cause bacteria build up, leading to, once again, inflammation and irritation. Another thing, if we apply skincare products on top of areas that we don't exfoliate, they won't have any effect at all. Kasi patay na nga yung mga skin cells on those areas. So sayang lang. That is why you really need to exfoliate. Exfoliating, guys, also helps our pores by clearing them up from pus, dirt, and sebum. Pero once again, do not over-exfoliate, okay? Like I said, do it once or twice a week and use gentle exfoliators. Number 9, guys, is to control your sugar intake. Ganito kasi yan. Whenever we often eat sweets, our blood sugar levels tend to increase. So the natural response of our body is to produce and release insulin. So insulin is a hormone that takes sugar into cells in order to reduce yung blood sugar levels. Okay, so hindi siya kaaway. However, yung hormone na yon is linked to acne because it increases sebum production and pore size, making them look more visible. So guys, a simplified explanation is this. Sugar is equals to sebum. Anytime we drink soda or eat chocolate or donut or cake, we are just adding more sebum to our face, making it more likely for us to get acne. Kaya pansinin nyo, sometimes when we eat chocolates, the next day meron na tayong pimples. Kaya iwasan natin yung matatamis. At ayaw nyo ba yon? Hindi ka lang makinis pero sexy ka pa. And then number 10 guys is to consider using mild face masks, especially during acne breakouts. So before, my belief is whenever I have acne, I should use products that are drying or harsh in order for me to kill the bacteria. However guys, I am only making it worse that way. Instead, I should have used moisturizing but mild products in order to soothe my active acne. That is why I'm telling you guys ngayon na don't repeat that mistake that I did. Meron ka mang acne or wala, it is a must to moisturize your face, and you can effectively do just that by using face masks. So there you have it guys, 10 tips on how to achieve a flawless skin. Now guys, I know I'm not perfect. I'm just trying to help. Huwag nyo naman akong awayan at sabihin na wala akong karapatan magsalita ng mga to because my skin is not perfect as well. Pero I could tell you this. I used to have severe acne breakouts from the past and I was able to beat them all by doing these tips. And every time na magbe-breakout ako these days, I will just practice all of the things that I said earlier at magiging okay na ulit ang aking face. So yes, that is all for our video for today. I hope you guys liked it and I hope meron kayong natutunan kahit konti lang. At kung meron naman din, please do click the thumbs up button. I-share mo na rin ang video na to help others who are suffering from acne. It's a wrap and I'll see you guys again soon.
The sky is all violet, and if I'm taking shotgun, let me ride it with you.